In the world of Swiss watchmaking, few brands balance vintage charm and modern craftsmanship quite like Alpina. And now, the brand pays tribute to its early 20th century roots with something rare, refined, and distinctly European. The Alpina Heritage Carrée Automatic Edition, Europe. This elegant timepiece carries the soul of 1930s Art Deco design, from its polished rectangular case to the beautifully balanced dial. At just 32.5 millimeters wide and 39 millimeters long, it's refreshingly understated, sitting below 10 millimeters thick, a nod to the discreet proportions of vintage watches. Sapphire crystals front and back keep things modern, but every detail on the dial takes us straight back in time. What makes the Edition Europe stand out is its warm beige detailing. The baton markers, railroad minute track, and leaf-shaped hands evoke the golden age of design. Inside, however, beats a thoroughly modern heart. The caliber AL530 automatic, based on the reliable Sellita SW261, operating at 4 Hz with a 38-hour power reserve. Turn it over and you'll find a sapphire caseback revealing a gold-toned rotor, a small window into precision Swiss engineering. Completed with a black ostrich leather strap, this timepiece exudes understated European elegance. Limited to just 100 pieces and available exclusively in Europe, it's a collector's piece that bridges Alpina's 1938 heritage with its modern revival. At €1,850, it's a slice of Art Deco history, reborn for a new generation. What do you think? Is this the most refined Alpina yet? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more timeless watch stories.